All right, good evening, YouTubers. So it's Friday night, and we're out here in the shop tonight, and we got another project. So I wanted to add electrical outlets in my garage. So I've got two projects I'm going to do. One, which I'll do later, is add an actual extra circuit to the garage, and then put in two double outlets along the walls. But the first project is a cordless or a cord reel. So it's a retractable cord reel that's 12 gauge. I bought the upgraded version. It's 12 gauge wire. It'll handle up to 20 amps, and it's got a splitter for three outlets on the end of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to hang this puppy on the ceiling and tap into the plug that the garage door openers use. I don't know why they do this in homes, but it seems either more recently or for a long time they wire in the garage door openers to a 20 amp circuit, and then it's the only thing on the 20 amp circuit. I don't know why they do that. It's a motor, I get that, but they don't pull a lot of current. So to me it's wasted capacity, if you will, to have, in my case, two garage door openers on a single 20 amp circuit. So what we're going to do, we're going to tap into that or plug into it. It'll be easy, and we're going to hang this cord reel from the ceiling. So I bought this on Amazon. It's ReelWorks is the brand name. So professional cord reel. It's got an adjustable stopper for the cord to not go up too far if you want to. It's got a circuit breaker, which I'm sure I don't want. Triple socket on the end, and it's got a 60 inch lead-in cord to plug into, and then it's a 40-foot reeled cord. I think they make a 65-foot, but I don't really need that much cord, so I bought the 40-foot instead. Seems to be very good reviews. It seems to be, it's not one of the cheapy 16 gauge 10 amp reels. This is a real deal here. This is 12 gauge, and I can run, up to 13 to 15 amps off this thing. No problem. So we're going to get it set up and get this thing hung. So I'll be right back with you. Okay, so what I've done is I've made a template for the mounting holes in a piece of old MDF. Drilled the holes where they need to be, and I'm going to go up on the ladder here and drill through these holes into the ceiling, and then I'm gonna start the screws and then hang the cord reel and then tighten the screws up once it's up. So here we go. I found the truss, 16 inch centers I think in this house. So no big deal. I think I've got this figured out exactly where the holes need to be. So here we go. Get my holes started. What I'm using are some long screws with some washers on top. All right. I definitely hit the truss. All right, so I got it hung. Now I just need to figure out how to tighten those bolts up. There's very little room in the bracket to drive the screw in. So I'm using a 1/4 inch ratchet. And there's just enough room for that. All right, nice and strong. So I need to route my power cable here. What I'll do is come across the top of the garage door opener. Circle back through. Plug it in. Apologize if you can't see that. And I think I can shorten this up all the way. Looks like just a Phillips. So it's got 2 screws that holds this, not sure what you call it, but it's a catch so that the cord doesn't go up too high if you had tall ceilings and you didn't want it to go all the way up so you couldn't reach it. But in my case, I've only got 8-foot ceiling, so I can reach all the way up here. So we'll loosen this up. All right, we'll move it up all the way to the end. Put the screws back in. All right. And that way it'll clear my head. And we're done. So I suppose we ought to check this thing out. We have power. Seems legit to me. So that does it, folks. Quick and easy project. I think this thing was, they actually had a coupon on Amazon. I believe it was $89.95 or $79.95, something like that. And then it was like 5% off. So I got like $5 off or something. I think it was $84 after the coupon. So it must have been $89.95. But now I can reach all kinds of stuff. Got 40 foot of cable, utilizing the capacity of the garage door opener circuit, 20 amps. And it's got a 15 amp circuit breaker. So I should be able to run my power tools no problem, even my table saw, which pulls 13 amps off of this thing. So great project, very quick, as you can see, and highly recommend. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we've got more coming at you. Thanks.